we go to the dam. The Hoover Dam. Open to visitors. It looks like you can't go over to Arizona anymore over the dam.
Really?
Yeah.
They said Arizona side is blocked?
I guess so.
Wow. I guess you have to go over Arizona by this big bridge now.
Yeah. They got epic hills around here.
Here we go.
What the heck?
Back on the old road.
Old road. Watch out for bighorn. It's a bighorn sheep crossing sign. State animal.
That's where we just came from. And this is only a one-lane highway.
Yeah.
It used to be.
This is old school.
The old school.
And no surprise that ever since 9/11 that they got the checkpoints. We wouldn't want anybody doing anything nasty to the dam. Although, in all honesty, good luck. It's too big.
I feel like I'm going into Mexico.
Yeah. Mexico. Fastest mouse in all Mexico.